for first explanation, show where is the engine compartment. So from this side, it's important to know it is a breaker, but it's controlled from controlling from the other side. Here is one important thing. Over there is to see that glass small windows, which is showing the level in the fuel tank. It's important to check. So here is the filling point for the diesel. And even keep this compartment open. Over there we have a panel with all that electrical installation, and there is one important part which we will touch a little bit later on. This button is to use for deleting the possible failures, just like that. Hold it, and here will be deleted the failure. From this side, it's important. Battery switch. Open, close. That one needs to be open when the generator is not used. So here we have a control unit, and here we have a power feeders. This socket 32 amps. There is a cable inside the container, can be used to connect the heating and the charging for the machine. If it's gonna stay, it's better to be connected for smooth start. This is a connection for the external fuel tank, but that is not applicable at the moment. This is a basic screen you like to see. Let's say we switch off. And we take it from the beginning, switch on, unit goes to a little bit prepare, so it's still preparing, and we are waiting to see the island. It can take a bit. Okay, and this is the moment, once we see the island, manual, so we can basically start the machine. So what we can do else, can happen that we got an alarm, so then here will be lighting the alarm. So the alarm we can read with the alarm info. There is no alarms. If there pops up some alarms, so it needs to be recorded what is in, to be possible to communicate with us. We can find then the solution. So we can always go by back. Okay, we are in the island. You can see there is a V3, V2, V1. That's a rotation menu, where you can, by those arrows, see. So now at V3 it's a basic, yeah. If I switch to V2, so, and with the arrows we can go and see like some values, what is important mainly during the operation. So we can go to menu V1. It's also showing a little bit different values. So we go to basic back. So in that moment we can start just by the pushing start button. You see it's running coil. Now the machine is running. So again, with that menu, I go to V2, so I can see the kilowatts, I can see some other values, what is is important, like a voltage, etc., available load, consumed load. And now, if you like to get power here to the bus bars, if you like to get power, so this button is about to close. It's about to close the breaker. So if I put that one, now the breaker is in. You see? Now we have a power over here. So if I like to off the power, again I go like that. So now there is no power and breaker is open. So basically if you like to stop the machine, then you just go stop and you see the saying cooling. That's always, if the machine was running, let it cool before and automatically stops. Now the machine is cold enough, you can push again and the machine goes down. Okay. So can happen that if you have some failure on the mains, you got some alarm when you like to close the breaker. So we need to go back to this panel, and here will be mains failure. By that, you see that failure is gone. So now you are ready for the next start. So that's basically it. If something, you have our number, always call us with any kind of alarm. Thank you and good luck.